the rig streaming and I'm YouTubing it. And we're just walking along the promenade towards the V&A. We're gonna have some food and just hang out and have an easy, relaxed evening.
So this is lamb.
That looks so nice.
I can't remember what exactly it is, but it's lamb something. 7-hour cooked lamb according to the menu, so it should be super succulent. And then this is one of my favorite sushis. It's a crispy crab. It's pretty good. I like it.
So there's Kalki's. See, there's lots of people eating in there. Yeah. This is where I ate.
What did you eat?
Snook and chips.
Good thing we don't need to eat.
Yeah, this is not Rick's kind of place, but the snook was really good.
I don't mind this stuff. I mean, if there's a nice fish and chips.
Yeah.
Like, I've just got out to do stuff.
Rick's got brain freeze.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Double camera brain freeze. Enjoying an Oreo milkshake. I got a coffee shake and we're at a place called Lekker. I don't know if you can see the sign, it is flickering a bit, but the place is called Lekker in Kalk Bay.
You get that tick. You get that tick off your butt. Here we go at little tushy.
I bought one. Vlog people, sorry. I bought one for my mommy.
Hello, vodders. That's what you guys are now. The vods.
Hi, vods. See ya. I bought one. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Break it, girl.
Look, why is he not bobbling now?
It's his Twitch name.
He does bobble eventually.
You gotta have the wind blowing right. Your mom will have to stick him on the dash of her car.
A little snack and a Cosmo. It's been a lovely day actually. It's not been too hot.
Sea kayak trips. No G, no.
Yeah, no Rick, no. We're not taking the pickle in there. And we're at a place called Bertha's in Simonstown.
Rich, maybe he should try that. He just starts playing so badly and says, as soon as I've made my 20 bucks for my train, I can go. Whoosh, whoosh. Just get on the train. Take my wallet.
Some of the most viewed YouTube videos
You can kiss my man-sized ass.
can tell us what it's like.
Who's your bus, Judy? How much were they?
I got 3 apricots.
Oh, sorry.
Saved my life. So I look apricots.
Good on you.
I look like I come from the Katsiki village.
Sorry, how much are these?
It's
My bad. I don't know why I thought in Afrikaans for a second. I don't normally think in Afrikaans.
Where are you living now?
We only came to see where we're gonna drink.
The camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in the camera now.
Yeah.
Wow, but why you are leaving now?
Look, come back. Look, come back.
What the hell was that? Did you engage glutes and just fart on me? You just crop dusted me, woman. My mouth was open and everything. I was talking to you. She just let one rip in my face.
I'm sorry, you made me laugh.
She was obviously holding that one in for post stream, and then it slipped the fuck out on this glutes engaging hill.
Even with our own eyeballs. Oh, never mind, I was wrong. Hey, dude.
It's having a good kip right
Doesn't
there.
even look like they breathe, hey?
Look at that zoom, G. Look at that zoom I've got. Yes, the
Yeah.
What's up, mate?
Hey, awkwards, how are you?
What's happening there? Got a little bit of gas, have you? Kind of blink my grandpa used to do. Yeah, they foreign. This guy's foreign. Fist bump again, boy. Fist bump. Yeah. Smile at me.
50 before you let him through again, he keeps following me.
He knows a good time when he sees it.
Dad, he's just after it like all the time.
Yeah. What's that? I've never seen one of these. Hey, little thief, you little asshole. You can't steal this. Ah. You think you're South African? Huh? You think you're South African? Little asshole. Look, he's just stuck. I'll take that.
Rick, no man. He's gonna do it
Give
in my
it to
legs.
me. Instant come to the pickle. No. No. Y'all. No fingers. Hey, no fingers.
Rick, if you did tell him no.
Hey, girl.
What am I gonna do?
Hey, yo, don't put your fingers in there.
Mind that way, Rick.
Yo, go find someone else to harass.
He loves you. Man, I would love to.
Stop trying to steal my stuff. There we go. This lady would love to. No. No.
Hey, come on.
Don't touch.
Come.
Okay, that's better. Grab that.
They're trying to grab the.
He stole the windsock, boy. He stole the windsock. He's jacked our windsock.
No, speaker's inside my bag.
Oh,
You can go if you want.
oh God, they keep.
They love
His
your
little
bag.
penis is sticking out. Look at that monkatos, boys.
They like your bag.
They think they're stuff, yeah, but then they do realize it's not much. Yeah, just go sit on the stinky kegel. No, don't jump on me.
You know where you're gonna go, mate? He's gonna jump on the camera, Rick. He wants you. get to the DeLorean.
DeLorean? Did you know there was a DeLorean here?
No, I had no idea. I saw it when we came in and I wasn't gonna like freak out before the stream noticed it. Okay, the only model produced by John DeLorean's company in Belfast. Famously featured as the time machine in the Back to the Future movie trilogy. Woo! Woo!
720 years.
Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Doesn't it look good when it moves?
So we saw an expensive car, boys.
Oh my god! It looks so good when it moves though, doesn't it?
It looks so low.
It's so like, it's like flat on the ground. I would hate to
Did you see
drive
the guy
that.
smiling?
Yes.
Oh shit, oh shit.
What?
The wind took my ticket.
Are you joking? Oh no, Rick!
Alright, let's get another one.